inside.
Und einmal zurück. Dankeschön. Wenn Sie den Kuckuck sehen wollen, um 11 Uhr ruft er.
Okay.
Dann können Sie gerade nach Hause gehen und können Sie gerne noch reinkommen.
You can follow him because the cuckoo start making in 2 minutes.
Hello.
Hey, that's good. Yeah, that's good. The whole house here, it's a cuckoo clock.
Uh-huh.
And now we are standing inside the clock.
Yeah.
Outside, in the front of the house, it's the face.
Ah.
The cuckoo, you see it here in the top of the house, it's go out every half an hour. Also at 11 o'clock, the next one. I think, yeah. So
Yes, it's really close.
the black box here, the 70 kilos, it's the weight from the
70?
clock. It's the power on the same as this one, but a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Here are the 2 air pumps, and there's the 2 pipes. It's the bellows, it's for the noise, for the sound. And this one, it's the model, and the big one, it's 50 times bigger. Yeah. And my father built a clock between 1977 and 1980. It's all handmade. Yeah, and we are in the Guinness Book of the Records since 1984. Okay, that's all. I think so. In 2 minutes, he's go outside. Yeah,
Okay. This way?
yeah this way, yes.
To find a way.
Da geht's ja.
Du.
Tisch.